So, what's up, guys? We're back again with another video today. And in today's video, we are at Jageshwar Temple, at Jageshwar Dham Temple, also known as by the name of Jageshwar Dham. Yeah. So, we are visiting to the temple right now, and you can see it behind. These are the houses and everything. So you can see. Let me show you the view of this thing. This is really cool and amazing. Just look at this thing. The view is really amazing. Look at those houses, look at those mountains, the greenery. And when we come here, like I can feel the spirituality in this place. That was so amazing. So we are heading to the temple right now, and the peace that I am feeling, and I am witnessing this thing, and the spirituality that I am witnessing, and my whole mind is getting cleared by all the negativities and everything, and positivity is being enhanced in the mind and in my soul. So it is really amazing, and like it has been also said that those people who visit over at this place are very lucky people often. So yeah, maybe I'm not lucky. I'm lucky. So auntie is by our side right now. Say hi to the camera. What do you feel about this thing?
Nice. Nice.
It's nice.
Yes. अच्छा vlog बना रहे हैं.
Yeah, it's a vlog. What do you feel about today's day?
Nice, very good.
Nice and very good. And there is my mother, you can see. Mom, come in front. All right. Yo, what's up, dog? What's up, man? Let me keep its name as Haunter. Yo, what's up, Haunter? Haunter, yo. Haunter is ignoring me. All right, dude, you're ignoring me. All right, yeah. No, thank you so much. They are selling the offerings, and you can see it is a hotel over here, a restaurant. Look at this place. Wow, so beautiful. Ancient place, and with the the ancient architecture of this thing is really amazing. Can you see something? Yo, bro, can you see something from that? No? Nothing from those binoculars? Can you see me, yo?
Yeah.
You can see me, alright, yeah. Take care, man, take care, yeah. God bless. So I think that this is the place where we have to keep our footwears. We have to keep our footwears over at this place. So we have finally entered the temple, and you can see the architecture of this temple. It is really amazing. The Omkareshwar temple. Oh, sorry. The Jageshwar temple. Not the Omkareshwar, but the Jageshwar temple it is. And you can see a big bell at this place. Let me... Wow. It's so unbelievable. I love the vibe. I love the vibe, yeah. Yes, let's go inside of the temple. You can see. Lord Nandi over here. Lord Ganpati, you can see over here Lord Ganpati. Wow. Let's enter inside. हर हर महादेव जयकारा वीर बजरंगी हर हर महादेव. So you can see the queue is very large over here. Although recording video in the temple was prohibited, but I somehow recorded the video, and you can see I don't know, like they this is the tilak that they have given to us of chandan tilak, and with the tika, it is also called in Hinduism. Yeah. Let me show you this place. Look at this place, Nandiji over here. And with Nandiji, you can see the Lord Shiva directly from this point. This is the Shivalinga. This is the Shivalinga, you can see. Wow. So beautiful and so amazing. There are so many Shivalingas over here. There is also a Shivalinga. There is also a Shivalinga at this place. There is also a Shivalinga that you can see. Yo, what's up, are you? There is also a Shivalinga. So you can see it is written that is the Jyotirlinga of Jageshwar temple, and there are two guardians standing over here, two guards, and one of its guards' arm is broken. The right arm is broken. I was recording the vlog, so they said that recording the vlog inside is prohibited and is not allowed. They somehow saw that I was recording by the camera, so they said that you can't record. Then I said, okay, I won't record. So yeah, most of the places over here are prohibited to be recorded, but yeah, that's the point. No. All right, so I am feeling really, very, very positive and really very spiritual vibes over at this place, and this thing is really amazing. And the thing I am just, it is really praisable, and it is really really amazing that I am witnessing over or at this place. I am sitting at this place, and this thing is really amazing, giving the positive vibes and giving the positive energy in myself. You can check out the ancient stones that are used in this temple, and the queue also, you can check it out. So today is Monday, and Monday is often recognized as the day of Lord Shiva, and it's a day where we worship Lord Shiva, and that is the day where devotees keep also the fast for the god. So yeah, it's a really lucky day that we are at this place, at this time, at this day. We are very lucky. God bless everyone and God bless us. Sorry, wow.
Stand up.
Stand up, stand up. Say har har.
Very good.
हर हर गुस्सा आ गई
अब गुस्सा आ गई इसे जब गुस्सा आती है तो गर्दन हिलती है.
His name is Shivansh.
हर हर
What's your name?
अच्छा बेटे अच्छा.
His name is Shivansh, and Shivansh is also recognized as the name of Lord Shiva, the part of Lord Shiva, right? Shivansh. He was saying. So that boy, that little child was saying the name of Mahadev. When we say Har Har, he was saying Mahadev. So you can also see this place has its own something like a river. Let me get down first. Ah, lovely. So this is a flowing river, as you can see, and how is this coming? Okay, it's coming from that place, and there are the stones that people have built their own houses. It has been said that if you will put the stones on the stones at those sacred places, you can get a better house with positive vibes. So Hinduism has so many of its different vibes and so many of its different concepts. And this thing is often said that if you will build the stones on the stones and you will pray to God that one day we will get this kind of house, so you get that kind of house. So it's a concept of understanding in Hinduism. And you can see here is Lord Hanuman, God Hanuman over here. And now there are so many Shivlingas at this place. Mommy. So one Shivlinga is over here. Another is over here. Wow, so many Shivlingas. सारे बोलो जय माता दी. What is your name? नाम क्या आपका? What is your name?
नाम बता दो आशी. आशी
Ashi
मिश्रा.
Mishra.
बात कर लो. बात
Okay, say hi.
हाय करो.
So you can see over here is the Daruka Vriksha, the Daruka tree, which is joined together. That it has been said on the board that one is Lord Shiva and other is Goddess Parvati. So that's how these two trees are interjoined, interconnected. Wow, it's so amazing. So I just came to know about this thing that there are 125 temples in this temple. Like Jageshwar temple has 125 temples, 125 small temples, including all the Shivalingas in it. So yeah, that thing is quite amazing though, and I really came to know something different. Really enlightening. Sorry. So I just came to know about one more thing, that this temple was established in 7th and 8th century, and there were three kings of the kingdoms who established this place. One was from Pithareswar, something like that, but there were three kings from the three generations. Say it again.
कतुली वंश राजा, शालिवाहन और चंद्र वंश राजा.
Katuli Vansh, Sharivan and Chandravansh. Three generation of kings. So I am with the priest of this temple right now. Sir, please introduce yourself on the camera. Please introduce yourself.
अपने बारे में बताइए परिचय.
मैं जागेश्वर धाम का पुजारी हूँ. पंडित महेश चंद्र भट्ट मेरा नाम है. महामृत्युंजय जागेश्वर समूह का पूरा पुजारी हूँ मैं. यहाँ पर 125 टेम्पल हैं सारे, और इस सारे टेम्पलों का हम लोग पूजा करता है. और महामृत्युंजय पूरे वर्ल्ड का इकलौता टेम्पल है जहाँ पर हम लोग स्वयं पूजा करते हैं. हर हर महादेव, जय भोलेनाथ.
Jai Bholenath. So basically he has told that there are 125 temples and he is the main priest for all these temples, and the main temple is Jageshwar Dham, and there are 125 small temples in this place. Thank you so much for being in the video. Jai Bholenath. Alright, so we have stepped out of the temple and now we're heading to our bus. So I hope you all liked the video. I hope you all liked my efforts that I have done, that I have put into this video. And I hope that and I'm also glad that you are watching my vlog. Thank you so much for being in the vlog. Stay blessed, always stay focused, and make sure to drop a like if you like the video. Make sure to do a comment in the comment box. What do you think about this video, and suggest me something new for new contents in the comment box. And make sure to hit that subscribe button with your thumb or finger, or I don't know what you're gonna do with it, but I want it to be subscribed. Alright, till then, stay blessed. Let's meet you in another vlog. Thank you so much.